the main key is to practice questions. It's not that you just go through the study material and you are done. No, the more you practice the questions, the more is the chance you clear exams. Myself, Kriti Talwaria. I basically belong to Rajasthan. I completed my CPA journey 3 years back through Miles Education, and I'm currently working as an assistant manager in EY. I used to follow every instruction that you used to give, of even highlighting the keywords in the books and keeping a short notes on everything that he used to say, because sometimes he used to give us extra information even if that are not present in the textbook. So I used to wrote these down just for my reference. So those were really helpful. And even the mnemonics part, those were there in the books. Those really helped me, crack the difficult question in exams. Along with the online videos, we had access to OTB online test bank, and it has a lot of questions. And I honestly didn't go to any other book to refer questions. It was just the test bank that I went through, and I cleared all my exams in one attempt. I used to first watch like complete chapter video, and then I used to take notes from that, highlight the key stuff, and then I would start with the question round, the from the Miles that OTB. So along with that, I will simultaneously work with the online book. CPA matlab Miles.